What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Amazing A-Frames. And this week we have a lot of new stuff again, and there is also good news because a lot of you guys were always asking me. So we are trying to sync up now the releases from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA as well on the A-Frames, like we did already since some weeks on the fitted. So then we should be in sync over the next weeks. So hopefully that everything went well and all the shipments come in time. But this week I have some NHL hats, I have some MLB hats for you, and I also have some more 950 A-frames like you guys requested. So before we start, I would like to ask you for a favor. So please hit the subscribe button if you have not hit the subscribe button so far. This will help the channel a lot. I would highly appreciate it, and it's totally free, and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. If you want more from the Topperzstore family, you will also find the link in the description below where you can join our Discord. Without further ado, I would say let's go into this, and let's start with some NHL hats. All right, there we go. So we have 3 more NHL hats this week for you guys. Let's start off with this black and teal beauty from the Anaheim Ducks, and you can already see here in the front that we added some super nice magic metallics. So metallic silver, metallic gold, and look at the eye. Can you see that? Now you can see it's shining in gold, and this other yellow is such a nice color combo. If you have this teal, this yellow, metallic silver, metallic gold. We got the Stanley Cup 2003 side patch. We got a gray UV and black guts, and also a teal snap on the side. Super nice colorway for summertime, but in my opinion, you can wear this all year long. So let's come to this one. So I've already showed you off one time this side patch, and this side patch reminds me a lot when I was a kid and watching hockey, the Prince of Wales conference. I mean, come on. This is such a classic side patch, and we added some metallic silver details on the outline, and on the front you have this super nice, and look how great embroidered this Montreal Canadians logo is on an all black hat, black snap on the back. And of course this needed the Kelly green UV because it looks like a classic throwback hat. And can you still remember those logos? I mean, come on. This is such a beautiful hat, the Montreal Canadians. And you guys know I'm a huge fan of the New York Islanders fisherman logo, and we already had it on a fitted, but this time you will also get it on an A-frame. So just the head of the fisherman, and this color combo is fantastic. Oceanside blue button visor, and then you have this stone dome, and Mr. Fisherman pops off really great on this stone dome. 25th anniversary, look at the details with the Stanley Cups in here. And then you got also an Oceanside blue snapback, gray UV, black guts. The New York Islanders fisherman with just the fisherman in the front. Beautiful hat, beautiful logo. So a lot of you guys were asking me, hey Pat, can you bring that City Connect logo from the Dodgers? And there we go. And I'm always impressed when I'm looking at the embroidery New Era is achieving. This is insane. There are so many details in this, and it looks absolutely fantastic. Look at this. Super nice. We got the Royal Crown. We got this LA Dodgers logo in the front. We got the World Series 2024 side patch. And then we got a Royal snapback on the back. Gray UV, black guts. Beautiful hat. The LA Dodgers with the City Connect logo in the front. Beautiful hat. Absolutely beautiful. Super clean. And also now available at Topperzstore. Talking about great front logos just with letters, especially intersected letters, I absolutely like that. And here's another beautiful black dome that we are releasing this week, the St. Louis Cardinals, and this orange pops off that that black. It's like crazy. All-Star Game, St. Louis 1948 with metallic gold. And look at this beautiful front logo. Also throwback style, Kelly green UV, black guts. Oh, super nice. Then we got the New Era flag in orange here. Black snap, and as I already said, throwback style Kelly green UV, black guts. Let me know in the comments below what you like more. Do you like more the gray UVs or do you like more the Kelly green UVs? If you have to select between the two classic UV colors. So it would be super interesting that you tell me that. So write it please in the comments below. All right. This is the third version of the Los Angeles script that we are releasing this week. And black and gold, I'm always in. I'm always in, especially if the embroidery looks like this. City of Angels, Los Angeles Dodgers. And this side patch is one of my favorite Dodgers side patches to work with. And I call it the Dodgers at night because you can see the city in the back with this metallic black, metallic pewter, super shiny black and gold. And this looks amazing. Amazing. So this is such a clean hat. Black and gold is something you can wear every time with every outfit. I absolutely like how it came out. Gray UV, black guts, the Los Angeles Dodgers. The next script we did. So then we also got something new for you guys. The cherry blossoms now finally arrived also in Europe, and these are the first two. The first one I would like to show off is the San Francisco Giants. So we got an all black hat. We got these cherry blossoms in the front. And then look at this beautiful San Francisco Giants side patch with these small metallic details. Those details matter, my friends, because when you have this hat in hand, you will absolutely love it. This is like the perfect addition to this logo if you add some metallic details, because when you're walking out in sunshine or in a special light, you won't believe it. It looks absolutely amazing. And then you got this black snap on the back, and all of these have pink UVs. This is the San Francisco Giants. And the second one I would like to show you this week is the New York Yankees. Also super beautiful with this World Series 2000 side patch. And you can also see here again this liquid titanium and silver details, and the more like wild berry pink on the side. And then you also have a black snap and a pink UV and black guts on this beauty. I really like how they came out. So then we got more colored UVs, and this week there are a lot of colored UVs coming. So you guys were asking me for that, and now we deliver. Let's start with this beautiful Detroit Tigers, and this is like a flashy yellow. It's not neon, but it's close to neon. Super flashy yellow, and I wanted to try something like that because I think it really pops off fantastic of this black hat with the Detroit D in the front, and then you got this Detroit Tigers 2000 side patch, and you can also see here again those details, they matter with all these fine sparkling metallic lines. This makes the hat really, really special. Black snap on the back, and then you also got in the same color the New Era flag on the side. Beautiful hat, the Detroit Tigers. Then another one, and this came out also great, and I love to work with those color UVs. It's beautiful. Grape UV, and then we got the whole hat in black. You got this Yankee script in the front in grape, and then you got those beautiful golden details on the side, and this looks really gorgeous. So look at this fantastic embroidery. I mean, come on, you cannot go wrong with this colorway, right? Beautiful colorway. Choker color, and then you got also a black snap on the back and this sparkling grape UV with the Yankee script in the front. So, last but not least, and this is the first series. I already know that there is a second series coming out of this too. So of the mint UVs, because I know you guys absolutely like them since we had them on the fitted. And we got 3 teams this time. So we got the San Francisco Giants. And also here, I selected those super nice, colorful colors. They pop off really good off this hat. Then you got the World Series side patch, Battle of the Bay. Also again with this super nice metallic silver and pewter details. A black snap on the back, and all of these have this flashy mint UVs. Beautiful. San Francisco Giants. Then we got the New York Yankees. And this time with a special side patch, the Subway Series like you know it. And then you have this 25th anniversary side patch. Beautiful. And look how flashy those logos are on this black background. And last but not least, we got the Ohtani 50/50 from the LA Dodgers. And also here, sparkling details. Beautiful hat. This looks like, look at this. Look how shiny this is. And we got a black snap on the back, and also here this mint UV. Crazy! There are so many hats every week, and let me know in the comments below what were your favorites of the hats that I showed off. Let me also know which teams would you like to see next, which colorways you like most. So it's always important that I have your feedback. And as I already said, if you liked the video, or if everything was cool in that video, or you liked what you saw, please leave us a like on the video, and also tell your friends about Topperzstore. Very important. We highly appreciate that. So I can't wait to see you guys again. Every Monday we are streaming live, and I'm showing off all the new fitted hats of the upcoming week. And on Sunday there will be a new video, my top 5 fitted hats of the week, here on YouTube. I would like to thank you guys very much for tuning in again, and I hope to see you next week again. I'm out. Bye.